Ayy. Stick to the code with the coast of my pros. I don't play by the rules, I switch up the flow. Ay, chill on the weekend, give X's and no. She in love with the kid, I ain't texting the phone. Rocky Gianni got filming his gold. I was packing for Cali, ain't bring me no clothes. Plus that I'm copping a fit off the rip. Met a chick from the net, you know it's a switch.
Hey guys, welcome back for another video. So we got everything here that we need to build a little ebb and flow system, you know, a flood and drain system. We got the air cube and the 8x8. So I want to keep a perpetual grow system going here. I don't know how long I'm going to run hydroponics, but we might run it for a little bit. I really like the system, and I'm going to show you guys how to do this step by step. Check this out, guys. All right, guys, so I picked up this 3/4 inch and 1/2 inch flood and drain ebb and flow kit on Amazon for around $8 or $9. I'm going to get this installed. And then, guys, I got a 1-inch hole saw and a 1/2 inch drill bit and a drill. You know, depending on the size of your lines, you may need bigger or smaller, but that's what we're going with. And then also, guys, you're going to need a submersible pump. I'm just going to go ahead and use the one that came with the Spider Farmer drip irrigation system. So it's already fitting my lines. It's the lines I'm using on this. So hope that helps, guys. So guys, the location here doesn't have to be perfect, but you know, you don't want your flood and drain lines being in the way of your pots, so it's best to kind of lay them out in here and see where you would want to put your lines at, you know, and then probably give them a good distance from the middle, because that's probably where I'm going to run my lines, it looks like. And then, yeah, see, helps kind of get everything lined up. We'll be able to stick one, you know, right down here in the middle, and then another one on this end. So let's get to it. All right, guys, so you're going to want to get your lid lined up on here, and it overlaps the Tote's lid, you know, pretty good, so it's got a good base to sit on. It's not going to go anywhere, but you want to have it lined up real nice. I mean, I do at least. That way it looks a little pretty. And then what we're going to do is drill both holes one time. Hold this thing steady. Make sure you're going to hit the lid. We're going to go through one right through here. And like I said, this doesn't have to be perfect. I'm eyeballing it. And then I'm going to run straight down through the lid on the Tote.
Every time this drop, it's a heat wave. No mind for the he say, she say, BK, okay, with the NYCK. Hey, yeah, I eat beats like it's my cheat day. I work hard, I had no leeway. Stay with heat, I feel like D-Wade. Hey, yeah, open flame, I had to cremate. She come back like instant replay. High degree, can't stop the heat wave. Hey, can't stop the heat wave. Hey, can't stop the heat. Can't stop the heat wave. Hey. Can't stop the heat. Can't stop the heat wave. Can't stop the heat. Can't stop the heat wave. Can't stop the heat. With the coast of my pros, I don't play by the rules, I switch up the flow. Chill on the weekend, give X's and no. She in love with the kid, I ain't texting the phone. Rocky Gianni got filming his gold. I was packing for Cali, ain't bring me no clothes. Plus that I'm copping a fit off the rip. Met a chick from the net, you know it's a switch. FaceTime me quick so I know it's legit. After we meet up with a friend.
Exactly sure how high that's gonna fill. That's gonna be perfect, I think. That's dang near perfect, dude, because my cube's gonna be right there, and it's just gonna help wick it up. I think we're golden. Let's see, we got a gallon, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think we're gonna need to put about 7 gallons in here. 8. Alright, guys, so I think I need about 7 or 8 gallons of water, so we're going to use the RO water for this grow, you know, just because the ppm in this tank's, you know, I think around 8 or 9. It's a year old and it's still running, you know, low ppm. We got the Apparapin. We can usually get numbers pretty dang accurate. So yeah, I mean, I love this tank, but yeah, we're just going to turn it on here, fill up a, you know, a 5-gallon jug, and then go over there and fill up the tank. Can't stop the heat wave.
Can't stop the heat. Can't stop the heat wave. Can't stop the heat. Can't stop the heat wave. Can't stop the heat. With the coast of my pros, I don't play by the rules. I switch up the flow. Chill on the weekend, give X's and no. She in love with the kid. I ain't texting the phone. Rocky Gianni got filming his gold. I was packing for Cali, ain't bring me no clothes. Plus that I'm copping a fit off the rip. Met a chick from the net, you know it's a switch. Stick to the code with the coast of my pros. I don't play by the rules. All right, guys, we're gonna get our medium condition for the ebb and flow, but I wanted to show you this little stand that I got for, you know, the reservoir for the air cube system, because this little stand was on the tower garden and it supports 900 pounds. The water weighs like, what, 8.5, you know, pounds a gallon. So we're filling this up around, you know, 40 gallons. So it's never going to exceed that limit. That's just going to be nice and handy being able to roll that around. So it's just a thought, you know, if you have one of these, you know, something you could do. But, and then I added a temperature gauge, which I should do to the little mini ebb and flow. So yeah, when the miniature ebb and flow is done with the plants, you know, we're going to transfer them over here and then we'll get this one to use. It shouldn't be long, guys, but all right, guys, we're going to get our nutrients added in here. We're using General Hydroponics, first time using it. Heard a lot of good things, great reviews too. But we're going to go with the quarter strength just because it's new and that's how I was taught. So you don't want to do full strength. You could burn up the plants. And you know, it's just we're just now introducing them to nutrients, so they're young, they're seedlings. And we're also going to pH our, you know, we're basically conditioning the medium that we're using, guys, which is, you know, Hydroton. And we're going to condition that. We're going to pH it, let it soak for, you know, 12 to 24 hours. I've been using this Apparapin for a year. I'm telling you, this company's outstanding. You know, they're kind of expensive, but it's well worth it. I went through 2 other brands. There's no comparison in them, guys. This is by far the best one I've ever had. We're in 8 gallons of water. We're using 4 milliliters. All right, guys, same thing with the Flora Grow. We're gonna go ahead and add, you know, 4 milliliters of this. A little easier to see than that dark color. Get that in there. All right, guys, you know, I normally use pH up in my deep water culture grows, but I'm using Tower Tonic nutrients. It's just, you know, a whole nother beast of a nutrient. So this here's, you know, requiring pH down because we're at 7.1. We got to go down to 5.5, 5.6. All right, guys, so it's best to start with less than too much because you can always add more, you know. You don't want to scrap all this water, I'm telling you now. So we're going to go ahead and go down to, you know, 0.5, and that's half a milliliter. Yeah, I eat beats like it's my cheat day. I work hard, I had no leeway. Stay with heat, I feel like D-Wade. Hey, yeah, open flame, I had to cremate. She come back like instant replay. High degree, can't stop the heat wave. Can't stop the heat wave.
Went a little heavy on it, but we're gonna let it sit 20 minutes. It'll probably come up a couple of tenths, and then we'll see what's up. All right, guys, it's been a little bit. I've recirculated the system here, you know, filled it up, drained it, filled it up, drained it. I was running the Tower Garden timer on it. You know, it's got the indoor and the outdoor. The indoor is not going to work for this timer. I'm not even going to use this timer. I'm going to go to a manual. But it was just something to get it flowing, you know, and recirculating so I could get the, you know, the pH reading again. And I want to, we almost got it perfect, I think. So I'm happy with it. I think the system's going to work. I'm going to have to increase the fill line here because it's not draining quick enough. And it relies on that, you know, also to drain. So, see, we got that damn near perfect with the Apparapin and the Fox Farm pH up and down. I mean, I'm stoked with that, guys. It's about as low as we can go, and it's only going to climb. So, perfect for me. Appreciate you guys being here. Had a lot of fun building this, and I'm looking forward to getting the plants in the air cube system. So, see you guys next time.
BK, never behave. Yeah. Every time this drop, it's a heat wave. No mind for the he say, BK, okay, with the NYCK. Hey, yeah, I eat beats like it's my cheat day. I work hard, I had no leeway. Stay with heat, I feel like D-Wade. Hey, yeah, open flame, I had